If we talk about the basic difference between present perfect and past simple, so the difference is that in present perfect, work is done in the past. In past simple, also work is done in the past. Because whatever has been completed, it itself means that it is done in the past. Nothing can be done in the present. What is present? Present is only one thing, that what's happening. Whatever is happening, that is only the present. Whatever is done, that has become the part of the past. Now, what is the difference between present perfect and past simple is that work is done in the past, but it links with the present. That is called present perfect. There are many examples. There are many examples we have talked about, right? For example, and one thing. Second thing, the timing that we use in present perfect, the timing that we use in present perfect, the timing which are still going on, the time that has not been finished. For example, today, this week, this month, this year, these are the timings which are still running. So the timing which are still running is a part of present perfect. But when we talk about past simple, when we talk about past simple, it has nothing to do with the present. The matter is finished, the time is also finished. Right? One thing, one thing. So present perfect, for example, you go for an interview and somebody asks you a question, what's your education? Right? Right now, fine, you are too young. If you, for example, you accept that, Tanu, you accept that you are 30 and you go for an interview and somebody asks you, ये अपने पीछे का बैकग्राउंड सब लोग बंद कर लें, माइक सब लोग म्यूट कर लें प्लीज, पीछे से कुछ आवाज आ रही है, सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है मेरी. ठीक है, you go for an interview and somebody asks you, what's your education? And you say, sir, I have done MBA. Okay, Tanu, you say, I have done MBA. You cannot say, I did MBA. You will say, I have done MBA. Why you are saying, I have done MBA? You are saying, I have done MBA because the matter is not finished. You have done MBA in the past, no doubt about it. But the degree is with you, the knowledge is with you, the experience is with you. That is why you have gone for an interview. That is why it is present perfect. Am I clear? So present perfect are group of those sentences which though we have done in the past, but it get linked with the present. But we talk about past, the matter is finished. It is an episode, it is a story. Story and episode are something which have nothing to do with the present. Any story. Maybe yesterday, Tanu, you had your birthday and you enjoyed a lot. So it has become the past. It has become the past because yesterday has gone. Okay, remember, yesterday has gone, but today has not gone. Today has started. Today is running. Today will run by night. ठीक है, तो ये छोटी छोटी सी बात है. So somebody asks you, what is the difference between present perfect and past simple? You simply tell that past simple is something that time has gone and the episode has gone. It has nothing to do with the present. And present perfect is something, though it has been done in the past, but it affects at the present. It gets linked with the present. That's why we call it present perfect. ठीक है, याद रखिएगा, बहुत छोटी सी बात है, but it plays an important role. It plays an important role. Somebody asks you, please take tea, and you say, no, no, I have just taken. When you say, no, no, I have just taken, you mean to say, because I have taken, so I cannot take another cup of tea. The present perfect. You say, sir, I have bought a car. You are not talking about when you have bought the car. You say only, sir, I have bought a car. So when you say, I have bought a car, so car is with you. When you say, I have bought a car, then you are giving an information. Try to understand what I am saying. Tanu, when you say, sir, I have bought a car, I have bought a new car. What do you mean to say? You mean to say, sir, I have bought a car, and you are informing to somebody else. You are happy. You are informing, you, sir, I have talked. Sir, I have scored 90 to 95%. It is an information. It is not an episode. Do you feel it is an episode, sir? I have scored 95%. No, it is an information. So whenever you are giving an information that you have done something, that is present perfect. Past simple is an episode. Past simple is a story. Same sentence can be an episode when it becomes yesterday, when it becomes 2 days before. But same thing is present perfect when you are not adding the timing. That is the basic difference between present perfect and past simple. I hope now you understood.